Hello, I'm here to demonstrate about the experiment number 10 in the case tools lab. This is known as the deployment diagram. Deployment diagram is similar to it is somewhat a part of an implementation diagram. It'll come under that category. So deployment diagram is mainly shows what all hardware are required for that particular application which we design. My application is game designing. So some hardware like graphic card, joystick, then gun, plastic gun, then mouse, etc. are used. So the deployment diagrams, like the components are also known. Components can also be shown in the deployment diagram. Then it is the basic components of deployment diagram are the component, nodes, and the association. Coming to the components, as I've already told you in the deployment diagram, components are they are the software entities in the system. Example, the source code, the file, document, etc. They are used. They are represented with the help of a rectangular box with two rectangles protruding from the left. So on the left side there are two things which are protruding. Here the components are in a system. For example, a uh, game player. What does he do? He give comments and he will give feedback. So comments is one and feedback is one more component in the system called player. Then coming to a node. Node is a piece of hardware that is present in the system. Node represents a piece of hardware in the system. This is represented with the help of a three-dimensional cube. Then coming to the association. Association will be represented with the help of a solid lines. It shows the relationship or the communication that is established between the hardware elements that are present in our application. So the deployment diagram for our application is game design. So what are the I meant de the deploy the components present are the database server, then client 1, client 2. It can be any number of clients. Then but for a simplification, I have taken two clients. Then the game character, then the joystick, then the graphic card, and the RAM. Then I can have the plastic gun and so on. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.